Hi everyone, welcome back to Apps Academy. Today I'm gonna show you how to share your location on Google Maps. This video works for both Android and iPhone users, so make sure to stick around. First of all, launch the Google Maps application on your phone and then go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top right corner first. Now click on Location Sharing from the menu. Make sure that you tap on the button that says Share Location. Now, you can share your location with contacts from your Google account, or simply go ahead and tap on More Options and select a contact from any messaging application, email, or you can also tap on Copy button to copy your link. And now, you can use and share the link via text, email, or any other applications. Simply select who to share your location with, and your location will be shared immediately. And with this, you can easily share your current location with anyone in just a few taps. Let me know if you need more help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video again.